The cold and flu season officially starts in the fall and lasts throughout the winter. It is now more important to strengthen our immune system because we are also facing a global pandemic at the same time. The most basic thing to do is to get a flu shot in your local pharmacy or physician's office. And also to get a booster shot 6 months after your second COVID vaccine shot. The FDA already authorized booster shots for all US adults since last week. I immediately booked an appointment at our local pharmacy. The process is very simple. You just need to bring an ID and your vaccination card in your pharmacy. Although the seasonal flu and COVID vaccines are widely available, we can still do our own part in boosting our immune system against bacteria and viruses through food, vitamins, and other healthy lifestyle practices. According to an article published by the Harvard Medical School, I will link the article below, our immune system does a good job in defending us against colds and flu. The first line of defense is to choose a healthy lifestyle. Here are some simple, healthy living strategies that can help immune function. Scientific evidence suggests that sleep has powerful effects on immune functioning. Studies show that sleep loss can affect different parts of the immune system, which can lead to the development of a wide variety of disorders. We need to take vitamins and supplements because our daily diets may not provide a healthy enough dose of nutrients. For example, if you don't like to eat vegetables like broccoli, you may have some deficiency on certain nutrients like vitamin K. I take a multivitamin every day and an elderberry supplement. I know there are many other supplements to take as we age. The elderberry has been used as a traditional medicine for over centuries and considered a remedy for colds and flu. This supplement is in a gummy form without sugar and comes with echinacea, zinc, and vitamin C, which are all great supplements during this time. The immune system needs nourishment. Quality food over quantity is key. Another article published by the Harvard Medical School says a healthy diet is associated with a reduced risk of developing COVID-19 and its serious complications. Although, note that a healthy diet doesn't prevent anyone from getting COVID-19, it lowers the risk of its severity if you get the virus. Researchers also found a link between COVID-19 and a poor diet or socioeconomic disadvantages. In short, healthy food has always been associated with longer life, stronger immunity, and overall good well-being. Unhealthy food, like sugar and processed food, are associated with a plethora of diseases and malnourishment. Here are some examples of superfoods that I enjoy eating as much as possible, especially during the fall-winter season. Pomegranates are in season from September to November, but they are available in the stores until January. Pomegranates are considered superfoods because they have 3 times more antioxidants than green tea or red wine. Blueberries are in season all year round. In North America, the picking season is from April to September, and in South America, it's from October to March. So there are always blueberries in the stores. Just like pomegranates, blueberries have very high level of antioxidants and anti-aging benefits. The honey lemon ginger tea is a soothing drink that eases sore throat, and the vitamin C from the lemon improves our immunity against diseases. The ginger is anti-inflammatory, which acts like an ibuprofen, a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug. Ginger also alleviates cold and flu symptoms. The honey has antibacterial properties. Echinacea is a popular herbal remedy for cold and flu. Studies have linked echinacea to health benefits such as reducing inflammation and improved immunity. Since it is an herb, many groups may contradict on its effectivity on common cold. Nevertheless, it is widely used in tea, cough drops, and liquid extracts. This is a liquid turmeric, which we all know is anti-inflammatory. It has been used in India for centuries. Turmeric fights off a variety of viruses and flu. Just like a healthy diet, exercise improves overall health. which leads to a healthy immune system. If it's too cold to exercise outdoors, there's always room for indoor exercise. You don't even need an expensive machine, just a heart full of motivation to be healthy. Many studies suggest there's a relationship between stress and immune function. Ongoing stress can take a toll on the immune system, and many illnesses are linked to emotional stress. Practice mindfulness, gratitude, and stay away from people or situations that drains you. Feeling cold is uncomfortable. Wearing proper gear during the colder months is important to avoid pneumonia, especially if you're outdoors for a long period of time. Proper hygiene, such as constantly washing hands, can prevent the spread of viruses. This has become a global message during the COVID pandemic, but should be normal at all times. Since we stay mostly indoors during the colder months, it is paramount we purify our air. Air purifiers, HEPA filters, can remove 99% of dust, mold, pollen, bacteria, and viruses from the air. These are the simple health strategies I personally live by, and I'm thankful that I've never had a cold or flu for decades, even if I've missed my flu shots on several years. Habits such as eating healthy and daily exercise have positive and compounding effects in the long term on our immune system. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching.